One way to scale your business faster, if you have an inventory business, is to increase your inventory turnover, which means flipping your inventory faster, flipping your whole inventory faster. And 2D barcodes are going to help you do this. In today's video, I'm going to show you a little bit how to actually use 2D barcodes, and I'm going to tell you why you should absolutely use 2D barcodes in your Amazon FBA business. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos right there on YouTube about selling on Amazon. So if you are new, subscribe and like this video so you get recommended more videos. All right. So as I said, if you want to scale your business faster, you need to increase your inventory turnover, which means that you're going to flip your inventory faster. Why? Because if you're able, it's pretty much one, and once again, I have a whole video on the subject, okay? It's one of the less utilized levers that you can use to scale your business, making sure that you sell your inventory faster, because your money is not tied as long, and you can flip your money more time in a single year. And because of that, you know, it's wonder of the world, which is compound interest. You're going to make more money faster, all right? So 2D barcodes are pretty much barcodes that have, you know those labels that you put on your shipments? What 2D barcodes are they are, you know, it's one more thing that you have on these labels that is going to give the box content of the box that you send to FBA to Amazon, right? So when you do this, it's actually going to make your shipments check in faster, okay? Because think about it. Amazon has all the data, it's super easy, just scan, and the check-in process can be way faster if it is done this way, right? So the only issue, the only downside, and it's going to be the main selling point of the solution that I'm going to show you today. The only downside is that you need a third-party software to actually make you the 2D barcodes. Pretty much, you cannot. If you use the Amazon workflow, you're not going to be able to do this. And this is where softwares like Boxem and Inventory Lab comes into play. The first thing that you need to do, and this is not what I'm going to show you today, you need to go to the settings on Seller Central. Okay, go to the settings, go to the shipping settings, and you need to turn on 2D barcodes there. Just type how to turn on 2D barcodes on Google, you're going to find it. This is not the point of today's video. What I'm going to show you in today's video is how to do it with Boxem and how to do it with Inventory Lab. All right. So with Boxem, by the way, there's links for both these softwares in the description before I actually get into this. The one that I recommend is Boxem. Okay, I have a ton of videos. I have literally a video on Boxem versus Inventory Lab, and I have a video that I released yesterday that was a review of Boxem. I 100% recommend Boxem, not Inventory Lab. I'm still using Inventory Lab right now. I'm going to make the switch, hopefully, in the next couple of months. If you want the whole story, watch yesterday's video. All right, but I believe Boxem is the superior software. All right, so if you want to see the reason why, watch the previous videos that I made on the subject. So if you want to do it with Boxem, once again, I recommend Boxem. If you want to do it with Boxem, super easy. You scroll down right there, you have box content, all right? And you just click and turn on 2D barcodes. By the way, 2D barcodes, it's 100% free to use 2D barcodes, as I said. The only thing that you're going to need to have is third-party software that you'll use to list your inventory. That is going to help you do this. Right? However, it's 100% free. Okay? So Boxem, easy. You go to box content. By default, it will be on Boxem provided. Okay? Don't do that. Do the 2D barcode. You click here, you go into the barcode. It's a simple switch. All right? On Inventory Lab, on the other end, same thing. You go to create a shipment, you create a new batch. When you create your new batch right there, it's going to be, by default, it's going to be on using feeds. You choose on using 2D barcodes. That's it. That's all you turn on. That's literally all you turn on 2D barcode. It's as simple as that. Now, as I said, only downside, you're going to need a third-party software. Okay, 100% free, and it's going to speed up your checking times. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. All right, thank you for watching.